The director of Prabhas star Project K, Nag Ashwin, has confirmed that the film's promotional campaign won't be starting anytime soon. He goes on to add that the project is still in the early stages of the shoot and there is a lot more time to go for the promotions. Project K, featuring Prabhas, Deepika Padukone, and Amitabh Bachchan, is one of the costliest projects in Indian cinema. The film is directed by Nag Ashwin and it is produced by Vyjayanti Movies. The film is tentatively lined up for theatrical release in summer 2024. As for Prabhas, he will simultaneously shoot for KGF 2 fame Prashant Neel Sala as well. He has also announced Spirit with director Sandeep Reddy Vanga.